Okay, we have a quick demonstration of the exporting of data to Excel. We're going to go ahead and navigate to our receivables menu and open up our list of invoices. And in this invoice list, we can do some filtering very easily. For example, if we wanted to only look at invoices from this year, we could go ahead and select the date column and say is greater than the start of the year. And now we only have invoices that are dated in 2024. We can also filter on the type of documents that we're looking on here. In this case, I only want to look at invoices. So I will select invoices. So now I have only invoice type documents from this year. And we can take a scroll over and look at all of our columns. And I notice there's a couple columns in here I'm not really interested in. So we have a column configurator that allows us to add or remove columns from our list. So in this case, we have currency and unreleased retainage, which is not really relevant to me. So I'm going to go ahead and remove both of those columns and say OK. And now my screen will not have those columns. I can just as easily add a column. Say we wanted to add our branch. And in this section over here of the column configurator, we can move branch up or down to determine where it appears on the screen. And we'll just leave it at the end of the list right now. And so now we want to export all of these documents, all of this information to Excel. We have a button right here at the top of the list. It says Export to Excel. We'll go ahead and click that button. It'll take a few moments to process, and it will actually download. We'll see up here, it will download to our local computer, and it popped up on my other screen. And here is all of our data now in Excel, and we can manipulate that, do totals, sorting, and so forth in that data in Excel.